Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification delay or missing error on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that your messages or your notifications are not showing or are missing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to update your software because sometimes it might be a software issue which can be easily fixed by updating software. So just simply open your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software from here. Once you updated your software, just simply go back, and here you have to make sure that you haven't enabled do not disturb mode. If you have enabled, just try to disable this from here. After doing this, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to check if you are facing the same issue with all over your phone apps or only single app. You're facing the issue with only of your single app. So for example, I'm gonna say that I have the same issue with my Instagram app. So let's see some possible fixes for my Instagram app notifications. Just go to your settings here, go to notifications, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled this setting for your Instagram apps. Just look Instagram here and just enable all the toggles and all the settings from here. Once I've enabled, you have to go back and open your app store. Just go for search and search for Instagram. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update in your Instagram app. If you find, just try to update your app because sometimes it might be your app update issue, so it can be easily fixed by updating your app. So once you have done all of these, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go ahead to your settings, and in settings, just scroll down and look for screen time section. Look for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your phone has been restricted due to these restrictions, so you're unable to get or delete notifications. So once you have done or disabled the restrictions from here, just go back and your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's a perfect way. Just go to your settings and here go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your any iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.